welcome back to Miles Ahead. We have got a very good response on our first video. Thank you so much for that and we are grateful to you all. In today's video, we are going to show you what accessories we have installed on our Red Phantom to make her more beautiful. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first to see our latest videos. And if you like the videos, hit the like button and write down your comments below.
Today I will show you all the accessories which I have installed in my Harrier. Also I will share the price for each and every accessories and the installation video. So let's begin. There are two combo packs. You can install it in your Harrier or else you can just install it separately. I preferred installing it separately because I found few unnecessary items in the combo pack. Come on, let's talk about what accessories will you get for the front profile. Firstly, you will get the Mascot Harrier bonnet. That will cost you for 1769 rupees. That really adds beauty to the next level. We couldn't install it because it wasn't available at that time. Our next accessory is Humanity Line Harrier Chrome. That will cost you for 3085 rupees. That was also not available at that time, so we couldn't install it. We would like to install it as soon as possible, so let us know in the comment box if you would like to see our Harrier after installing the Mascot and the Humanity line. Now we are installing the front bumper garnish chrome, which cost me for rupees 1974. Before installing any chrome to your car, you have to make sure that your car surface is neatly clean so that chrome can easily stick to your car body. You can see in the video how that gentleman is properly cleaning the car surface before installing the chrome. Now we are installing the fog lamp garnish chrome. That cost me for 1733 rupees. After installing these chromes to our Red Phantom, that really gives a premium look. Because of rainy season, there was a lot of moisture on the car surface, so it was really challenging to install these chromes. Now we are installing window frame kit chrome. That cost me for 4275 rupees. I know that sounds a bit overpriced, but trust me, after installing this line, my car started looking amazing from the side profile. For the side profile of Harrier, you can also get the roof rails, door handle chrome, overvm chromes and the footstep. You can check the price for those in the description below. I didn't install the overvm chrome and door handle chrome because you can already see a chrome on the door handles. So I just wanted to keep her simple and beautiful. Yes, now you can see how this window frame kit chrome line adds some more value to the side profile. Now he is installing BSM plus BCB moldings. That cost me for rupees 5639. I think that looks perfectly balanced now. Chrome along the roof line, window line and the bottom door line. What do you think? Now it's time to install rear bumper garnish chrome. That cost me for 2389 rupees. This chrome plate can prevent rear bumper from getting damaged while accessing the luggage from the boot. And that actually look nice too. I really appreciate this guy for doing his work properly. And that's the dicky lower garnish chrome. That cost me for 2153 rupees. When we park our car in a tight space and access the boot, this chrome plate can really protect our car body color from getting scratched against the wall. And you can see dummy exhaust garnish chrome over there. That cost me for 1680 rupees.
These are front parking sensors. It cost us around 3928 rupees. These sensors are really useful for such a big SUV because sometimes it gets difficult to park in a busy area. This is 3D trunk mat. It cost us for around rupees 3850. I think this will be very useful for you. You should also check this type of mats for your car boot. It's very easy to remove the mats and clean it, thus helping your boot space to always remain clean and free from dirt. Next are the 3D molded mats. It cost us for 4160 rupees. Instead of regular PVC mats, 3D mats are always better. If you have a good budget, you can prefer 7D mats as well, which would cost you around 6000 to rupees 7000. Here are the dash mats. These cost us for rupees 1232. It is a set of 9 pieces which includes all your cup holders, mobile holders and the dashboard dash mats. And last but not the least, nano sticker tape. It has a carbon fiber design and it cost us for around 510 rupees. Most of the time footboard gets dirty and it becomes brown due to stains. These stains are difficult to remove. I found this product on Amazon and installed it on my own. Let me tell you, these do not look odd at all. I will use it for few days and will post the feedback on it very soon. Please check Amazon link in the description box.
We have bought all these accessories from showroom itself. You can also install these aftermarket in cheaper rates. But quality matters, so it's your call.
This is how we have designed our Red Phantom by installing all the accessories. Here is the final budget of it. If you want to know more about any of these accessories in details, do comment and let us know and we would be happy to respond. If you liked our today's video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And for more such exciting videos, stay tuned to our channel. Both of us signing off from Miles Ahead. Goodbye, take care.